At Gulfood Manufacturing, I am at the stand of Tropical Food Machinery, and I'm almost ready to interview Mr. Guido Diemmi, sales manager of the company. Guido, Tropical Food Machinery also at the edition 2024 in Gulfood Manufacturing.
Yes, Gulfood Manufacturing is a regular event for us. It's very important because here we can find the potential customers from many regions of the world, from Africa, from Europe, from Asia, and even from Australia. In Asia, we have many customers, like Philippines, where we recently sold and installed a very important line for banana processing. It's 1 year that this plant is running and using a very innovative technology. We installed the 2 automatic banana peelers for the peeling of the bananas, as well as all the line for banana puree extraction. And then, of course, we can present here some more new technology. We recently installed a very big plant in California also for oranges treatment, for peaches and so on. And there we proposed a new technology for the filling of frozen juice that can be a very good point for us for the next marketing actions, I think.
Got it. So could you just, in 2 words, explaining to our audience which are the main advantages of the last solution you have talked about?
Energy saving, and this is of course very important, I think, quality improvement, and this can lead to our customers to be more competitive because, of course, if you can reduce the energy cost in your production, you have some more advantage compared to your competitors. And the quality also is very important. We know that the market always asks for more quality at a lower price, so this could be the right combination for our machines.
Have you received good leads at Gulfood Manufacturing?
Yes, we met customers that we expected to meet from many regions of the world, of course, and even some more new contact that we hope to develop. Of course, we know that this needs time. The fruits of an exhibition come 1 or 2 years later, we know it, but we have some more contact that we will develop, and we hope to get some more business from this.
Next exhibitions in 2025?
We will be there, I think, of course, because Gulfood is quite important for us.
So thank you so much to Guido Diemmi and Tropical Food Machinery. See you in Gulfood Manufacturing 2025.